Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
So now you are here on your homepage in Canva. If you have a pre account, it's okay. If you have a pro account, it's more better because you can use more of the pro tools that pro account members are using. So from here, I'm going to start to create just a blank presentation. So okay, I'm gonna get this one, just a presentation. So I have here a blank template for my content. All right, so my content is all about 10 signs relationship won't last. For my first sign is lack of communication. Okay, and then I'm going to explain that. I'm going to narrate it, but I want to make some kind of visual, or image about lack of communication. So I went to Canva and get this blank template. So I'm gonna put some kind of color for this. I can choose. You can choose a lot of colors here, whatever color you want. But for the sake of this tutorial, well, I'm just gonna pick some, like for example, this one. All right. I'm going to the apps. You see these apps. Click that apps and you will see the text to image. All right. Click this one and I'm going to write here what kind of background that you want for your content. All right, so I'm going to type kind of wall background, okay? Because I want something like there's a wall. I don't know why I choose that wall. So you can choose any kind of wall that you want to use, but if you don't like it, then you can ask to create again, and then they're gonna give you more, more pictures that you want to use for your content. All right, so you see these two person here, and my first sign of this content is lack of communication. You see this these two people here. So how did I get this one? Okay, you go to the apps again and scroll down here and you will see a lot of here. You will see emojis. You will see, I get this from this character. You see this one, character builder. So I click that character builder and you see here, there's so many characters that you can use, or you can also change their colors. You can play around with it. And then you can replace this guy to this guy. All right, I can delete this one, delete that one, and then I'll put this guy over here. All right, so number 2 is constant arguments. All right, guys, so now I'm done with all of the templates from 1 to 10 about the topic, remember, that I've told you. So I'm going to show you guys. So this is the number 1. So I make this one. And for number 2, number 3, 4. All right. So I made up to 10. The 7, 8, 9, and 10. So I just got this templates and this characters and all of this images here on the elements and on these apps. Okay, so once again, click that apps. You can text a message if you want to use this colorful messages for your content, or you can go to elements and then type any kind of situation or scenario about your content if you want to have this kind of visual thing like this. So just type here and you can choose the graphics, you can choose the photos, you can choose videos, things like that. So in this tutorial, in my content, I use the graphics, so I can find the graphics here and put on their backgrounds. All right. So that's it, guys. So now once I've done with this, since I've done, then you can also go here and on the percent. Okay, click that percent so that you can see the outcome. You can see, you can preview what you made in this. So here, if you see this one, just click the present, and it will present full screen, presenter preview, present and record, and autoplay. I think I'm just gonna autoplay. Set autoplay time is control how long each page. Okay, so just got it, and then present. You see this one, right? And see, you can see here, you can check all of your pages if it is in order or what. All right, there you go. So once you've done with this, now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to click the share here, and then I'm going to download these templates, these pages. So click the download, and it will pop up here. I don't use PDF, so I just want on a PNG because I'm gonna use that into my narration. So I just make sure that all the 10 pages are checked. All right, and then done, and then save the download setting if you want to. Videos, audio, and animation won't play when exported. So just make sure, just a heads up that you cannot play with until the download, until you finish the download. All right, so once you download it, go to your software, open it. I'm going to open a new project. This is the software that I am using. I'm going to open a new project, and I'm going to get that Canva templates that I made into this software. Okay, I'm going to add the files, and let's go to my desktop, and I know it's in there. So there you go. So I've already extracted it, so I think I can find all of here. All right, there you go. Open it, and you will see here all of the templates that you made. Okay, so I think I might just get all of this and open into my, there you go, onto my mobile software, editing software. All right, so now I'm going to put one by one here. I'm going to line it up here, all of those from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's all, I have 10 templates here. And now from here, I'm going to start to do a narration. So I'm going to do my own voiceover. If you want to use your AI or if you want to use your own voiceover, it doesn't matter. So it's all up to you guys. So you can use the voiceover here. You see there is a mic here. Just click that mic and you can start recording. So you can start recording from page 1, page 2 for all the pages of your content. So yeah, so I'm going to start recording, and then after that I'm going to let you know guys how it looks like, and then you can also create some other transition here after. But if you want to take a look on this 10, you can play with this, and you see there's no sounds, right? There's no voiceover yet. It's just the visual thing that you want to talk about. There you go. All right. There you go. So I'm just giving you a little bit of a preview on how it looks like once you finish downloading in Canva, and then you can bring it up into your editing software. Whatever editing software is fine, but I'm just get used of using Movavi software, which is this. So if you want to try, go to my link on the description. So try this one. All right, so you can also do the voiceover here. You don't need to go to Audacity or to Adobe Edition to make the voiceover for this, for narrating each template. You can do here at the same time, so that you can see where you can cut your voice or how long it takes to to fit into each page, right? All right, so after this, I'm going back, guys, and I'll show you how it looks like. Hey guys, so now I'm back and I'm done with all of the editing of this video tutorial. So if you want to look at it, guys, I will put the link on the description and watch the whole video. And if you have any questions, please write down in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe and like with this channel. And thank you so much for all your supports, guys, for all who subscribe into this channel. Please keep watching all my videos and let me know what is your input. Thank you so much, guys. Bye for now.